So we have a menstrual cycle. Menstrual cycle is made by 4 graphs. These 4 graphs are hypophysis graph with the hypophysis hormone, FSH and AH, ovarian graph with estrogen and progesterone, follicle growth and endometrium thickness. Without FSH, that's 9 money estrogen. Why? Because estrogen is produced by our follicles. And FSH, it stimulates the development of what? Of our follicles. So without FSH, we do not have estrogen because estrogen is produced by what? By our follicles. So as FSH in the beginning of menstrual cycle, we stimulate our follicles to grow. As the follicles they grow, they start secreting or producing estrogen. Then estrogen also preparing endometrium by making the endometrium to be even thicker, to be glandular, and to be vascular. But as they prepare, we remove the endometrium thickness, they are during pregnancy. They say in the form of any blood clots, they say gas. This is menstruation. Do you understand? So as FSH our follicles they are also stimulated to what? To increase and enlarge its size. The bigger the follicle, the higher the concentration of what? Of estrogen. You understand? Must figure out day 14. Day 14 it is called the ovulation. So the matured graphene follicle is cool. What causes it graphene follicle to cool? Age can increase about day 12, day 13. Increase the line. So the extent of stimulating graphene follicle to cool. Therefore, it stimulates the process of ovulation. Let's say I'm going to age as I am not done with you. I am now going to convert you from being an empty ruptured graphene follicle into a corpus luteum. A corpus luteum then it will start to produce progesterone, which means without NH, as progesterone, because the progesterone is produced by what? The corpus luteum, which means without NH, as corpus luteum, without corpus luteum, as progesterone. Therefore, it was a solid progesterone is still corpus luteum, but the corpus luteum is not NH, Amanda to sustain it throughout. You understand?